Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in West Virginia. And this whole process is super fast and easy. It's only going to take about 5 minutes to file it. So click the link in the description below. And I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. And for every single question, I'm just going to tell you exactly how to fill it in so that we can get through the process really fast. I've seen tons of videos on YouTube that are really long and have lots of chapters and it's very complicated. Promise you this is not one of those. This is gonna be super fast and easy. So again, click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. So it's gonna take you to the Taylor Brands website and you're gonna start by finding West Virginia. And now you're gonna type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. So I'm gonna type that in. Okay. And what stage are you currently in? Just click whatever applies for you. And then as far as an industry, so you might fall into a couple different categories, but whatever your main category is, like for me, it's eyelashes. So you see when I type in E, you get thousands of options that come up. So you can get really specific with what category that you fall into. And are you selling either a physical good or a service? More than likely, it's one of these two options. Maybe it's both. You can click both. And are you planning to hire employees? If you change your mind at any point, let's say you file your LLC and then decide you want to hire employees, it's totally fine. It's not going to affect your filing at all. So just click. It's kind of more for you to see later on. So just click where you are now. And if you have a goal, you can click a goal. If you don't know, hit I don't know. Now you're going to use the zip code of either your business, like a storefront, and if you don't have a storefront location, you can use your home zip code that's in West Virginia. And now, are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or are you on the go? So click all that apply here. And today I want you to click LLC, and also I would like you to select EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your taxes, and you're also going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So more than likely you're going to need it within your first year of business. And I like doing it on Taylor Brands because it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So let's say you need, I don't know, maybe you need a logo created or a license or a trademark. They have all of that right here. So if you want to go back in and check this out later on, or if you want to select anything else, feel free to do so. But for now, I'm just going to be clicking LLC and EIN. And now this is a survey. You could skip it. You found Taylor Brands through YouTube. And this part here, they're just offering a free 12-week business coaching program. So I like to click it because, you know, it's free. If I can learn something that helps me make more money, amazing, right? But if you want to skip on it, just hit no thanks. Now you're going to put in your personal information. And you can create a password. Okay, so now this is asking, do you want Taylor Brands to help you get your EIN number? So if you want to do it on your own, you can. You will just go through the IRS website, but keep in mind the IRS website only allows you to file it Monday through Friday. You cannot do it on the weekends. And in my opinion, I feel like government websites are super outdated and confusing. And also, if you've never filed for an EIN number before, it's just like, why give yourself that extra stress and headache of possibly messing up? So I like to have Taylor Brands do it for me. It's only $99, and literally me just clicking this button and paying for it is all I have to do. So I feel like it's completely worth it. And as far as assigning a registered agent, now a registered agent is essentially a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in West Virginia and your LLC and your business is in West Virginia, then you will be your own registered agent. Now, this might not apply if you live in some other state. Maybe you live in California and you want to open your LLC in West Virginia, maybe for tax benefits. Then you would need to have a registered agent that lives in the state. And if you're really not sure, you can always ask your accountant about it if you have some different circumstances. But for 99% of you guys watching this video that live in the state, you will be your own registered agent. So you can click this option here. And it's going to say, are you sure? Yes, we're sure. Now, every single year, you need to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, you're going to be hit with a bunch of late fees and fines. So we obviously want to avoid that. So if you think you can remember to do it on your own, you can click I'll handle the compliance. If you're concerned you might forget, maybe you're super busy with your business, totally understandable. I recommend checking this option out. It's $199 a year. Taylor Brands renews it for you. So it is a little bit pricey, but it's cheaper than getting hit with late fees. So pick whatever one that you think you can do. I'm going to click I'll handle the compliance. And branding toolkit, I'm just going to say no. For this, we're paying $49 to get our LLC in just 2 days from now. So I like to do this, but if you're in no rush, they can send it for no extra charge in 2 weeks. And you don't need an operating agreement, so click I'll figure it out myself. Would you like this formation kit? It's up to you. I'm going to click no. And yes, let's get notified about our filing. Now, you guys, depending on what you're trying to do with your business, they have some different plans that you can select, but you really don't need to pay for anything extra today. So let's just select this light plan to save as much money as we can. And now it's going to show you the breakdown of what we're paying for. So the state filing fee in West Virginia is $100 for your LLC, and that's just the mandated state filing fee. We're getting that free coaching program and the 2-day filing fee. So we get our LLC in just 2 days from now. So this is our grand total. Now, after you're charged for your LLC and that's created, they'll then give you the $99 EIN charge. So don't be surprised when you see that second amount come through. It is correct. It's just the second part of your filing. So you're going to get that LLC and the EIN. All right, so after you enter your credit card information, it's going to ask you what address you want to use. Now, like I mentioned, I'm mobile. I don't have a storefront. I always use my home address, and I've never had an issue with getting junk mail, spam mail, anything like that. But if you are concerned about it, you can get a virtual address. Just do a quick Google search on how to get a virtual address. But again, I use my home address all the time for LLCs, and it's literally just for them to contact you if they need something from you in regards to your filing. But yeah, that's it, you guys. You can see how fast and easy this was. But if you do have questions, please leave them below. I'd love to help you out with anything that I can. And I wish you guys the best of luck in your business, and I will see you next one.